Hey everyone, Nick Griot, Griot's Garage. And today we're going to talk about foaming surface wash, one of 3 liquids from our Boss foaming system. Foaming surface wash is our go-to cleaner for routine maintenance washes. Its pH neutral formula helps to retain any waxes or sealants that are already on your paint, while its dual layer foam helps to loosen, lift, surround, and release any contaminants that are on your paint. This creates an incredibly safe washing process that helps to reduce wash-induced scratches. You can let the foam work for up to 10 minutes depending on weather conditions. Once you're satisfied with the amount of work the foam has done for you, follow up with a high pressure rinse, and then it's up to you to decide what to do next. You can go truly touchless and just dry the car and be done with it, or for a deeper clean, follow with a traditional wash method and then seal the deal with foaming polygloss. Foaming surface wash was designed to work best with the Boss foam cannon. However, it also works great with the Griot's Garage pump-up foamer, air foamer sudsing gun, or foaming sprayer. Foaming surface wash is a great way to increase the safety and fun of your car washing therapy sessions. Thank you for watching. For more information on foaming surface wash, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.